Okay.
Yeah.
These are our fire shutter doors. You'll see the fusible links up at the ceiling. They come down. They're hooked to the chain hoist, which is the release mechanism for the fire door to drop. You have them on both sides. You see the sash chain going across here? Every one of those, a fusible link for the fire to be here, up there, over there, anywhere. Fusible link will melt and that door will drop. These doors are not designed to be used on a daily basis. These are not passway, entryway doors. These are for fire safety only. If there was a fire to break out, that door would drop and protect the contents on the inside. So over here, we have a chain hoist. These are manual operation. I can run this door up and down. But again, I'm showing you all this. This is not a operational door for daily use. I'm showing you the sample of how the door operates. Notice I never let go of the chain hoist. I had control of the chain hoist with my hand the whole time to slow the speed. These doors are designed to fall so many feet per second. So they travel pretty fast. If you think it's fast manually, wait till the fire drops it. That's fast. So we're going to raise it back up. Simple, easy. See, it stays in the header all by itself. Okay? Again, these are not designed to be used on a daily basis. I'm locking the chain hoist off. Come in a little closer. The proper way to lock any chain hoist off is you put both links in here. You take the outside link, you clip it there, and you clip it there. That way, nothing can take this chain off. Nothing. Okay, that's the proper way to lock any chain hoist off.
Good. Makes sense.
So again, you have a fire door here, a fire door up there, and you got the same thing on the other end of the building. They should never be used for daily function. They're there for safety.
Let me ask you a question.
Yes, sir.
It could be any other reason that 145, 150 degrees because of the heat of a fire that can actually activate that fusible link?
Correct. Correct.
What would be that?
No,
that's the only way.
Misunderstood. Just the heat itself
is the thing that can activate that fusible.
It doesn't take the flame. It doesn't take the smoke. It takes the heat itself, whatever the heat may be. And smoke can get pretty hot. Okay. But if you'll notice, I've got links down here at the bottom. I've got links right across the bottom over there, and I've got links all the way up there.
So if for some reason any of those links mechanically fail, you have another one that are going to keep the door.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So if they're to be drop tested by certified fire with the fire chief here. That's the only way they get dropped, unless the fire breaks out. And if the fire breaks out, then you have to have your door replaced.
Okay.
Okay?
Good. Thank you.